We think station wagons are inherently better at moving people and stuff than SUVs and crossovers are. They provide a higher level of driving satisfaction, and the Mercedes-Benz E-Class wagon is one of our favorites. In addition to its proficiency in cargo hauling, the E-Class wagon provides a luxurious cabin in which to pamper its occupants, complete with optional massaging seats, 2 giant digital display screens, and an available semi-autonomous driving mode. With its twin-turbo V6 power and standard all-wheel drive, it's a satisfying partner to bed down a winding country toll on. What's more, it's a 10 Best Cars winner for 2018. Although this superb wagon isn't cheap, it's worth the coin if you can spare it. High's stout V6 power, high-tech infotainment, luxurious and cargo-friendly cabin. Low's costly active safety features, relaxed driving dynamics, stingy warranty coverage. Verdict: the ultimate intersection of luxury and practicality. What's new for 2018? Only a few minor changes mark the second model year of this E-Class wagon generation. The supremely comfortable massaging seats are now offered as a standalone option for $1,320 rather than being bundled into the more expensive Premium 2 package, although they still require additional packages. Elsewhere in the interior, the center console now sports optional wood grain trim that matches the trim on the dashboard. The 3-zone automatic climate control system is now optional $760, as a soft closed doors $550 and illuminated door sills $350. Mercedes-Benz is now offering a rear seat entertainment and comfort adapter for $170, which is a convenient way to add a coat hook, folding table, or iPad holder to the back of each of the E-Class wagon's front seats. The $800 night package adds gloss black exterior trim, 18-inch wheels with black accents, and a black interior headliner. What was new for 2017? The E-Class wagon was all new for 2017, riding high on the success and critical acclaim of the E-Class sedan that was introduced earlier that year. Unlike its sedan counterpart, which launched with a turbocharged inline four, the E-Class wagon is powered by a 329 horsepower twin-turbocharged 3.0-litre V6 and bears the E400 badge proudly on its shapely rear. It also boasts a rear-facing stowable third row of seats suitable only for children. Trust us, we tried it, which is a throwback to station wagons of yore and also a unique feature in this segment. Trims and options: we'd check the box for the E400 wagon's luxury line package, which adds plenty of features that help it live up to its name. It technically carries a $0 price but requires the addition of a $500 set of 18-inch wheels, a small price to pay for the following: stitched leatherette dashboard wrap, metallic shift paddles, classic Mercedes-Benz hood ornament. To that we'd add the optional air suspension for $1,900. It provides a smooth ride over rough roads and allows for increased driver involvement through a range of selectable drive modes. All-wheel drive, called 4MATIC in the Mercedes vernacular, is standard, so there's no additional charge for all-season sure-footedness. Is equipped, our preferred E400 4MATIC wagon would set us back $66,445. Quick, smooth, and all-weather capable, the E-Class wagon sports a gutsy V6, a 9-speed automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive as standard equipment. In our testing, this setup provided stirring acceleration. What's new for 2018? Mercedes-Benz has changed nothing under the hood of the E400 wagon for 2018, so we expect new models to perform similarly to the car we tested last year. 2017 Mercedes-Benz E-Class wagon. The E-Class wagon's twin-turbo 3.0-litre V6 makes 329 horsepower and delivers it in a pleasingly effortless way. A hearty burble and a heavy throttle is the only audible clue to its performance potential, and its acceleration in our testing was swifter than all rivals in this matchup. The 9-speed automatic changes gears imperceptibly when set to its comfort mode. Switch the drive mode selector to sport and it manages quicker shifts. Move up to Sport Plus and the transmission's normally smooth actions are abandoned in favor of abrupt gear changes, wholly uncharacteristic for such a seemingly family-friendly conveyance. The E-Class wagon is not rated to tow, and neither is one of its primary rivals, Audi's A4 Allroad. Both Volvos in this competitive set of a tow rating, however, as does the Subaru Outback. But while these wagons can be comparably equipped, they lack the cachet of the Benz. By the EPA's estimation, the long-roofed Benz is the least efficient wagon of this bunch, and that's no surprise, since it's also the most powerful. In our real-world testing, however, the E-Class wagon delivered best-in-test highway fuel efficiency, beating even four-cylinder rivals. What's new for 2018? The EPA is holding steady on the E400 wagon's fuel efficiency ratings for 2018, and we'd expect the same heroic results in our real-world testing. We've devised our own fuel economy test in an attempt to replicate how most people drive on the highway. Our procedure entails a 200-mile out-and-back loop on Michigan's I-94 highway. We maintain a GPS-verified 75 miles per hour and use the cruise control as much as possible to mimic the way many drivers behave during long trips. Not only did the E-Class wagon best the EPA's estimation by 5 miles per gallon, it was one of only 2 wagons to outperform the government's rating in our testing. Its big fuel tank, the largest in this matchup, provides an impressive 630 miles of highway range based on this 30 miles per gallon result. The E-Class wagon offers effortless power and speed that belies its practical, family-oriented appearance. Ride and handling prioritize comfort and luxury over playfulness, but the Benz never feels unsettled by aggressive driving. What's new for 2018? For 2018, the E400 wagon will continue to blend comfort and confidence in a way that few cars can. There are no changes to its suspension, brakes, or powertrain, so buyers of 2018 models can count on performance that matches that of the 2017 model we tested in the illustrations below. Acceleration. Long-time readers know that we here at Car and Driver love station wagons. We especially love hot wagons, and the E400 4MATIC we tested laid down a spicy 5.1 second 0 to 60 mph time on our test track, beating all comers in this matchup. Mercedes also offers a high-performance AMG variant, the E63, that makes up to 603 horsepower. Reviewed separately, its performance-oriented character and six-figure price won't appeal to everyone, but if you're an enthusiast like us, it's worth a look. Ride, handling, and steering. Whether tackling crumbling side streets or eating up highway miles, the E-Class wagon delivers an agreeable ride and allows very few impacts to disturb occupants. If you opt for the adjustable air suspension, the ride becomes even more placid, particularly when set in the luxurious comfort mode. In normal driving, the E-Class wagon drifts along but never feels sloppy or nautical in its body motions. More fun can be dialed in with the use of the Sport and Sport Plus drive modes, but handling never reaches the athletic levels of its AMG E63 counterpart. Braking. The E-Class wagon's firm brake pedal and robust brakes provide confident stopping power. The big Benz provided the second shortest stopping distance in our testing, being beaten by the smaller and lighter Audi A4 Allroad by a mere 4 feet.